Uh, nah, Dorothy, I'm coming. I'm coming right now. I'm going to Akajako's house to get that foolish woman to tell me why is it that she has not given me a grandchild. That foolish woman cannot give us a grandchild. My fellow elders are calling grandchildren of their own. I cannot have my grandson or daughter. And my son is married. Let me go and meet him now. He cannot eat my son's money and refuse to give birth. Let me go and meet her now. Where's that foolish woman? Come out! Come out! Where's that foolish woman? Come and meet me here. Come out and meet me here. I'm here. Yes. Come and meet me here. You will know that I was once the Onowu of this kingdom. You just want to eat my son's money, and you cannot carry even a child in your womb. We have enough people to fill the toilets around here, not you. We want a child. Come out, come and meet me now. Akajako, where is that woman? Akajako, where is she? Nonsense. I'll be back right now. Nonsense. Where is she now? Where is she? Am I not going to sleep because of pregnancy? Am I the one to impregnate myself? Look at this foolish old man. The so-called in-law. Nonsense. I'm going nowhere. I'm staying here. Are you the one who married me or your son? Am I married to get pregnant from heaven? If your son has failed the responsibility to impregnate me, don't disturb me. Yeah. Foolish old man. Am I the one to impregnate myself? Am I the one to put the baby here? I'll get what I'll be given. Where are you? I want a grandchild. Okay, come and meet me. I'm here. I'm in my house. Come. If your son is impotent, what should I do? Foolish old man. If you're going to give me grandson, if not going to give me, you eating my son's money. Which money? Nonsense. Foolish.